You might have listened about simple copy pasting or cut pasting, but the MS Excel software has a special pasting option, and that is known as paste special. Well, basically there are tons of different types of pasting options which helps you to paste your data in different types, and that's what we are going to talk about in this particular video. So hey guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. This is the 20th video in this MS Excel course, and in this video we are going to learn how to use paste special options in MS Excel. So let's get into the video without any further ado. So guys, as you can see, right now I'm in my MS Excel software, and this is the dummy data we have, on which we are going to use copy paste special options basically. So let me just do one thing. Let me just decrease the size of this sheet so that I can show you the paste special options. Right here I'm going to show you how the paste special options are different from these simple pasting, right? So first we have to select the data so that we can copy, then we will perform the paste option, right? Because to paste something you have to copy first, right? So just select the data. Once you click on this copy button, the paste option will be automatically highlighted. You just have to click on this drop down menu, and here are the paste special options. Basically these options will help you to take your data to any other platform you want with a proper manner, with a proper way you want, right? So let me just show you one by one that what are these options and what these options, what are the main function of these options, right? So first let me just click on this one. I've just copied the thing. I've just copied the data. Now I just have to select the place where I want to paste it, right? Then click on this paste, and this is basically simple copy pasting, right? Everything will be same, just the formatting is not proper. Like here is the gap, but the gap here are not perfect, right? But apart of that, everything is almost same, right? All the formulas, as you can see, formulas are also copied and pasted, right? Now let me press Ctrl Z. Once I press Ctrl Z, let me tell you the second one, and this is just the formula will be copied and the formatting or the designing will not be copied. Once I click here, as you can see, just the formulas are here and the numbers, nothing else. No any designing, no anything, no formatting, just formula and text, right? This is the formula. As you can see, formula is available in every data we were talking, right? So this was about the formula pasting. Press Ctrl Z. It was this formulas option. Then we have formulas and number formatting. If I click on this, you'll be able to see that the number formatting is properly done here. Now I think you will not be able to find the difference between formula and the formula and number. Let me show you. If I click here and paste the formula one as well, so right now you will be not able to see any difference, but the main difference they show is in the decimals, nothing else, right? Like here the decimals will also be the same, and here the not, just that's the difference, nothing else. Now let me delete this one. Now just copy it again and select here. Now if I click on this keep source formatting, and if I click on this, the formatting will be same as like this, right? Formatting, by formatting mean I mean the color and the designing, but the gap between these names and all will be not changed, right? Otherwise everything will be the same. Now if I press Ctrl Z, select again and go to no borders. If I click on no borders, the data will be shown without borders. If I press Ctrl P, you will be able to see the data without the borders. To the view option, and well, I guess you'll be not able to find the difference here because let me go back. Yeah, because there is no border in this data as well, that's why there will be no difference. Otherwise if you add a border here, you add something coloring like this. Let me just add, or then I'll show you. Go back, color like gray or something I should add. Selected the data, color like gray would be fine, I guess. Yeah, with all the borders, right? So that's how your data will be looking. And if I delete this one and the formatting as well, right? And then I select the data again, copy the data and go to paste on this one, no borders, as you can see, the data will be copied without the borders, right? So this is the difference. But if you are not using borders in your previous data, the source data, then there will be no any difference, right? Let me press Ctrl Z and go to the next one, and which is keep source column wide width, right? If you click on this, the width will be the same because it has taken the source columns width same, right? Although the row width or rows height will not be the same, but the column width will be the same, right? Now let's press Ctrl Z and go to the next one, and that is transpose. And basically it changes the data, like the data from here will be go there, and the data will be from here to go there, which means it will change your x and y, right? X axis and y axis. So I hope you got the point. Then we have in the paste values option, if I click on this values only, it will paste values only. There will be no any formula. As you can see, if I select any number, there will be no formula, right? So it just copies and paste values only. Let's just press Ctrl Z and go to the second one, which is values and number formatting. So values and number formatting, which means it copies all the values and the formatting, which is these decimals and all, right? And other formattings like these are the formatting options, basically currency, accounting, short date. So if you have added a date, then the date will be copied properly, but in this option the date will not be copied properly, right? Because there will be no any formatting. So that's what the difference is between these two things, right? Press Ctrl Z. Then we have the third option, which is values and source formatting. If I click on this, and it is saying that if I change the data here like 35 to 45, you will be see that there is no change, right? But in the upcoming ones there will be change. The main thing is it copies that values and the formatting, right? But not the width of your columns. As you can see, the column of your width is not copied, right? But the formatting, which means basically color, font style, text, everything, designing and all, and then the values, right? Let me press Ctrl Z and go back. Yeah, it is okay now. Let me select again, copy the data, and let's talk about other pasting options. We have formatting, then select, and this only copies the formatting, basically the designing, right? If I press Ctrl Z and again copy the thing, let me just center this. I don't know when it go there. Yeah, it is okay now. Let me just copy it and paste it again so that I can show you that formatting how works. Basically formatting, just copy the formatting, nothing else. And if I click on this paste link, right, the paste link use, wait, it is loading a bit. Now this option, the best benefit of this option is that both the data are linked. Basically if I change the data here, let's say I write 87, you'll see the change in this data as well. Let's say I write here 57, you'll see the rapid change in this data as well. So that's how these two basically datas are linked, right? Now let me just delete this as well. Yeah, it is okay. Copy again. Then we have this image option. Basically it serves your data as an image format. If I click on this, this will be a image, right? As you can see. And if you want to use all the image settings, you can do that, because this is an image. You can add all the image formatting options with this, like this option, anything. You can all the customization which can be done with an image, right? Let me just delete this. Now let me show you the last one, which is more interesting, and that is this linked picture. Well, basically it's an image, but with the image it can do one more thing. If I change the data here, let's write 97, it will change here as well, and it's a image, right? It's an image, but still it is connected, it's linked. If I do this, although it is not looking not good that much, but yeah, this is the feature. You can leverage these features to uh, basically these features are used for data entry, right? Because in data entry we need different kind of pasting options. We need to manage tons of millions of data, right? And that's where you can use these paste special options basically. So I hope you like the video. I hope you understood how you can leverage these options, how you can leverage these paste special options, right? So if you like this video, please hit that subscribe and like button, and if you still have any question or query, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. We'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.